I wanted to share about a product that has made a big difference in my life. It's the Vive folded cane. First of all, let me tell you, this thing is really easy to use. The fact that it just simply folds and unfolds is a game changer. Now, the best part for me is how sturdy and supportive it is. I had a hip injury not too long ago, and this cane has been my rock. It's really lightweight, so it's easy for me to take with me wherever I go, but also I never have to worry about it being able to support me, even though it is lightweight. It's super sturdy, and this handle is contoured and really comfortable. Oh, and I love that it comes in so many color options. You can actually find one that matches your own style, which I think is pretty neat. Another thing I like is that it's adjustable, so you can make it the perfect height. It's all about just whatever's comfortable for you. Plus, it doesn't just work on one type of terrain. I've taken it multiple places, pavement, grass, even on gravel. So it's great for on the go. I have to say, after my hip injury, this cane has been a lifesaver. It has given me the independence I needed when I needed. So if you're looking for a cane that's not just functional, but also fits your personal style and your lifestyle on the go, you might want to give this one a shot.